Today, we're having Future Innovators Hackathon. It's a one-day event where we're talking about accessibility in solid waste management.
Spending a whole day talking about waste might seem unusual, but organizers saw it as a valuable step towards their goal of empowering sustainability leaders. They joined a unique Metro Vancouver program that amplifies underrepresented voices to help shape the future of waste and resources in the region.
As Metro Vancouver updates our plan for managing solid waste, it is essential that we consider a wide range of perspectives from the community.
Everyone is really excited to be here today. It has been a good opportunity for everyone to collaborate, to comment, to share ideas.
The Collaborative Engagement Program includes funding, support, and toolkits that offer discussion guides and suggestions for group activities.
So the toolkit that Metro Vancouver provided us gave us the knowledge that we needed, the stats that we needed, the information and the data that our participants needed as well.
Well, I'm really passionate about community issues, and I also am really passionate about waste management, reducing my waste, and also recycling. So I figured this would be a great opportunity to participate in a community project.
Metro Vancouver really wanted to develop a program that reached out beyond the usual engagement networks and created collaborative engagement as a way to reach a much more diverse group of people and networks out in our communities.
Feedback from events like this will be looped into a list of potential actions and strategies. Not-for-profit organizations are invited to take part in that phase of review.
Our goal is to help our region remain a leader in waste reduction, recycling, greenhouse gas reduction, and the circular economy.
Encourage recycling.
It has been a good way to collaborate and create an impactful day full of solutions for Metro Vancouver's solid waste management plan.